Frank with Stonelink Property Manager here at 477 Hope Furnace Road, Scituate, Rhode Island. It's a single family, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom house for rent. Starting our video tour right when you walk in. Got the dining area here. Intricate fixtures throughout, mini splits throughout, brickwork there. Door that opens up to your back patio and all this backyard behind you there. Built-in kitchen table, plenty of countertop and cabinet space, stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher, double sink, state-of-the-art gas stove, built-in microwave, beautiful light work throughout here. Got a formal dining area here. Gorgeous hardwood flooring. Big picture window. To my left there, that's your basement there with washer dryer in-house. Half bathroom here. Storage closet to my right. Living room. Projection screen that comes out of the ceiling. Projector there. Front door. We make our way upstairs. Hardwood flooring up here. Our hallway closet. You get the main bedroom here. Big enough for a king set. Open closet space. Built-in shelving. Gorgeous new lighting. Full bathroom here. Shower, no tub. We'll make our way down the hallway. My left, you got bedroom number 2. Big enough for a queen set. Bedroom number 3. This could fit a king set. Gorgeous views of the backyard. Second full bathroom here. Toilet and beautiful bathing tub. Stand-up shower, absolutely gorgeous. You have your 4th bedroom here, closet space to my left. Big enough for a king set as well. I'd like to apply for 477 Hope Furnace Road, Scituate, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button, bottom of your screen. Each adult will want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.